Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this smoked sleeve, and for that we are going to be making use of this satin fabrics. Okay, to be able to make an exaggerated smoked sleeve, we need a more wider and bigger fabrics, but I'll be making do with this that I have to show you how to go about smoking a Canadian smoked sleeve. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Here guys, I'll just use this pattern paper to describe or show you how to go about it, then later we'll transfer it to the fabric. Okay, all right, so the next thing I need to do right here is to mark 2 inches point all around this paper. So I'll just go ahead and place the tape rule on this paper, and at every point in time I would mark 2 inches on this paper, and I'll do that all around the paper to create a box of 2 inches. So here I'm just going to go ahead and create that square or box shape of 2 inches, as I said earlier on. Alright, so here it is after creating boxes all around the paper. So the next thing I'm going to do is to start marking diagonal line. Okay, so I'll move to this box and I'll start marking on that box. If you notice, I left this box out of it. Okay, so I'll just leave one box, mark the other one, I'll leave the next one and mark the other one. All right, so this is what I'll do all through this paper. Okay. All right, so we'll move to the other line. We are going to leave this line, okay, and we are going to move to the next line here, and I'll start marking the lines, this diagonal line on the next set. So I lost some of my clips and I had to start all over again, and what I just did is to, leave this line, move to the next line and start marking boxes at intervals. And also when you get to the next line, you're going to meet that line and move to the other line, just the way it is right here. All right, so just like we had it on this pattern paper, we are going to do the same to our actual fabrics, and you're going to be marking on the wrong side of your fabrics. So I'll just go ahead and do that. All right guys, so I've gone ahead to create boxes on the actual material. Okay, the same way we did on the pattern paper, I've already done it here, and I marked the diagonal line at intervals, and the size of this box is also 2 inches, and you are not limited to 2 inches. You can do more than 2 inches. Your boxes could be bigger than this. Okay. All right guys, so here I'll just come to the first box that we marked, and I'll come to this angle and I'll secure my thread. I'll make sure that I secure it very well so that it doesn't come off. And after securing the thread, I'll come to the next angle here on the same box that we marked, and I'll pick that angle and bring it together to create a smoking effect. All right, so I'll just go ahead and pick both angles together and I'll secure it very well. And this is what you are going to do all through the material. Okay, we are going to be working on all the marked boxes. We are going to be smoking them together just like I did right now. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same process all through the boxes that we marked on these fabrics. And right about now guys, this is what the wrong side of it is looking like. After picking all the marked boxes, you would have something like this on the wrong side, and when you flip it to the right side, you would have something like this. All right, you would have the smoked effect like so. all right. And you can just go ahead and attach this as a sleeve to your normal dress, your normal top or blouse, and you can even attach these to an off-shoulder design, an off-shoulder style. Okay, so I'll go ahead and close the seam and show you what it looks like afterwards. So here is what the sleeve is looking like at this moment. I've already closed the side seam and attached an elastic to the down part. Okay, so you can just draw it down or you pull it up to make it more puffy. So this is what it looks like.